The role of manners in building strong relationships. Imagine this. You're sitting in a crowded bus. A little old woman climbs in, holding tightly to the railing. Her hands tremble. She looks around, hoping someone will notice. But most passengers bury their faces in their phones. Then, one young man stands up and offers his seat with a gentle smile. The woman's tired eyes brighten. She sits, whispers thank you, and in that simple moment, a silent bond is created. A bond of respect, of kindness, of humanity. Now pause and think. Why did that moment feel so powerful? It wasn't money. It wasn't fame. It wasn't status. It was manners. Manners are not just rules we memorize. They are the invisible threads that weave strong relationships, whether with family, friends, colleagues, or even strangers. And here's the truth, my friend. People may forget your words, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And nothing shapes that feeling more than your manners. Welcome to Knowledge Hub Factory. In this video, we're diving into a topic that touches every corner of your life. The role of manners in building strong relationships. This isn't just about saying please or thank you. It's about unlocking a deeper power, the power to connect, to inspire trust, and to strengthen bonds that last a lifetime. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand why manners matter, but you'll also walk away with tools and habits that can transform your relationships forever. Understanding the meaning and importance. So what exactly are manners? At their core, manners are the outward expression of inner respect. They're the habits and behaviors that show others, I see you, I value you, you matter. Think about it. When someone holds the door for you, they're not just following a rule, they're acknowledging your presence. When a colleague listens without interrupting, they're not just being polite, they're telling you, your words are important. And that's why manners are essential to building strong relationships. Because every relationship, no matter how big or small, is built on trust and respect. Manners are the foundation of both. Everyday examples. At home, saying thank you to your parents for the meal they cooked shows gratitude. At work, greeting your team with a warm smile sets the tone for cooperation. In friendships, listening without judgment strengthens bonds. Even in public, offering a seat or holding the elevator creates a sense of shared humanity. Small actions, but big impacts. Let me tell you a true story. A young professional once shared how his career changed because of a simple habit. He greeted everyone in the office, from the CEO to the janitor, with equal respect. Years later, when a leadership position opened, guess who was chosen? Not just because of his skills, but because everyone trusted him, respected him, and wanted him as their leader. That's the silent power of manners. Now, here's the key point. Manners are not about pretending. They're about consistency. A polite smile at home, at work, and even when no one's watching. That's what builds a reputation of trustworthiness. When you practice good manners, you send a clear message. I care about others, not just myself. And that, my friend, is the secret ingredient to any strong relationship. Common struggles and misconceptions now. Let's talk about the struggles. Because the truth is, not everyone values manners the way they should. Some people think manners are old-fashioned. Others believe being polite makes you weak. And many assume that success comes from power, not kindness. But let's challenge these misconceptions. Struggle number 1. Manners are just for show. Many people act polite in public, but harsh in private. But real relationships are built on authenticity. If your manners disappear when no one's watching, trust breaks down. Struggle number 2. Being polite means being a pushover. This is false. Politeness is not weakness. In fact, it takes strength to remain respectful, even when others aren't. Leaders who master this balance firm, but kind win the deepest loyalty. Struggle number 3. Success doesn't need manners. Maybe you've seen people rise with arrogance, but here's the truth. Arrogance builds walls, while manners build bridges. A strong network, loyal friends, and supportive partners all come from respect, not ego. Real-life story. There's a story of a billionaire entrepreneur who was famous, not just for his business empire, but for how he treated his staff. He remembered birthdays, respected opinions, and said thank you often. Even in tough times, his employees stayed loyal because they felt valued. His success wasn't just built on money, it was built on manners. So, if you've ever thought, why bother? People don't notice manners. Let me assure you, people notice. They might not mention it, but they remember it. And when the time comes, those memories decide whether they trust you, follow you, or stand by you. Practical solutions and daily habits. So how can you use manners to build stronger relationships, starting today? Let's break it down into practical steps. Step 1. Start with listening. Most people hear, but few listen. When you truly listen without interrupting you, give others the gift of feeling valued. Step 2. Use simple words of courtesy. Please. Thank you. I appreciate it. These words may seem small, but they carry enormous power. Use them daily. Step 3. Respect time and effort. Show up on time. Keep promises. Reply to messages. Respecting people's time is one of the highest forms of good manners. Step 4. Practice empathy. Before reacting, pause and ask, how would I feel if I were in their place? This habit transforms conflicts into understanding. Step 5. Consistency. Every word. Don't reserve manners for your boss while ignoring the waiter. Treat everyone with equal respect. True manners are universal. Inspiring examples. Nelson Mandela was respected worldwide, not just for his politics, but for his humility and kindness to everyone. Princess Diana captured hearts because she treated people of every background with dignity. Everyday heroes, teachers, nurses, and parents earn trust through small, consistent acts of courtesy. Start today with one simple action. Greet the next person you meet with genuine warmth. Watch how it changes their day and your relationship. So, let's bring it all together. We began with a small story, an old woman on a bus, and we saw how one act of kindness could light up her day. That's the magic of manners. They may look small on the outside, but their impact is massive on the inside. Manners build trust. Manners strengthen respect. Manners turn strangers into friends, and friends into family. And remember this, the relationships you build are the greatest wealth you will ever own. Money fades, fame disappears, but the bonds you create with kindness will outlast everything. So today, make a decision. Be the one who listens, be the one who respects, be the one whose manners inspire trust, because when you do, your relationships will flourish, and your life will be filled with a richness that no bank can measure. This is Knowledge Hub Factory, reminding you that real power doesn't come from how loud you speak, but from how respectfully you act. If this video touched your heart, share it with someone you care about. Let's spread kindness together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment about one manner you promise to practice starting today. And remember, manners are not just habits. They are the bridges that connect souls.